Have you always wanted to invest in real estate, but you don't have a lot of money? Or the city that you live in is too expensive? Watch this video and we'll dive into the type of real estate that everyone can afford. Most investors invest in single-family homes or multifamily, but real estate investing is not only houses or apartment buildings or strip malls. For that reason, that's why I like land banking, because it allows you to have a lower barrier of entry. Plus, if you live in a city that is super expensive, you can go out of province or out of state at minimal risk to invest. So why land? Land is a physical asset, and your property tax is low until you actually put a building on it. Now, if you buy right, now everybody's buy box is a little different, but mine is, I'm looking outside, mid-sized city, outlining the downtown core, or in a good residential area. I purchased 3 lots in a cul-de-sac in an emerging Atlanta, Georgia market. These lots are in the area of gentrification, where there's lots of development and lots of activity. The average new home price in this area is $700,000, where I paid for the lots for $15,000. And with these lots, we plan to add value through doing an existing condition survey and schematic plans. We're going to combine 2 of the lots and create a 2,000 plus square foot home plus a separate ADU for additional income. Now, there's no perfect way to research land banking or to do this, but this is what works for me. I look in areas of potential growth in the economy and emerging markets. I want a mid-sized city and the lot has to outline the downtown core, or has to be an established good residential area. I look at resources like Zillow or Craigslist or Kijiji. I usually go through the older ads first. And once I find a lot, I look at doing a Google map and I walk the community. I walk the streets around the potential list property. I want to see the surroundings. I want to see how the homes look. I want to see how they're taking care of their lawn, if there's any cars on the lawn, just to kind of get a sense. I know it's not the best thing, but it's closest thing for not being able to go out there. And I'll also go to Facebook community groups or police websites for that county and just investigate the crime in that area. Once all that's been satisfied, I'll try to get the ARVs for that area for new home construction. I want to get a sample of different ones and get an average, because I can't rely just on the highest one, because the market might shift and there's going to be variances. So if I can get a general idea of what a new home sells for in that area, that'll give me an idea whether it's a good purchase or not. So with land banking, you have options. You can purchase the land and just hold it to a point where that area appreciates enough and the land appreciates enough that it's worth selling, or you could do a joint venture with a partner that either brings construction money to the table or has the construction skills, or you can market your property to a builder who can purchase the land from you and develop it themselves. With land banking, the options are endless. It's a slow play. It's not a quick fix and flip. It's a slow grind. So that's the reason why I like land banking. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and comment below if you land bank or if you had thought of land banking. Just go straight.